Okay, I'm going to do just a quick little video just to kind of show you the underneath side, to show where I have put the gussets, so you guys kind of get an idea. You can also see the tabletop. Also, you can take and see the junk. I put this on top of my workbench, and basically all I did was slide everything off and off on the side, so you can see that it's really cluttered. So, but that'll all change. But I just want to give you an idea of what I've done. Show you the bottom side. I'll take another quick video of the top. I've got the setting on its side right now, just so I can take and do this. I'm trying to pan as I don't know if this is going to turn out very well, but I did want to give it a quick shot, show you where I put all the gussets, show you my lead screw, and so forth. Also, on each of the rails, since these are a double set of rails, I have put gussets. I know the ones that's doubled, I had just for expense, I had a couple left over and went ahead and doubled up on some gussets on the side. Not real sure you can see this all, but at least I'm going to give it a shot, and you can kind of see, you get the idea. Okay. And so forth. Also, you see my rails. I don't for my table. I don't have them equally spaced, but kind of a mistake. But it'll work. Okay. Stop. Thanks for watching.